Hi guys, so welcome back. So finally, I have it, you guys. This is my new handbag, which we're gonna officially unbox. And yes, I did peek, and I just had to check it out because I couldn't do the unboxing, record the unboxing right away. So I had to kind of check this. I have been waiting for this handbag for slightly over 2 months. So you can probably understand my excitement, and finally arrived at my doorstep from Turkey. I am pretty much trying new brands and see what's up there. So I came across this bag, I think it was sometimes in the beginning of August, and I pretty much got this at the end of October. So yeah, it's been over 2 months. Like, I've been waiting for it, nearly 3 months technically. So yeah, I got so excited. First, when I purchased, I thought it was gonna be for my birthday, which was in September, but then I didn't realize it was on the back order. So it just arrived now, the end of October. Now we're in November anyway. So yeah, so technically I think this is going to be my Christmas gift from myself to myself. Usually I get some kind of a handbag for Christmas. I honestly don't anticipate to get one this year. I don't have really like anything in particular on my wish list, so this was just something that I really wanted when I saw it online. And this is from the company called Manu Atelier. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly or not. This is a Turkish brand, a Turkish company, and you guys, this bag is humongous, and the handbag is here, so you can tell it's pretty large handbag. And I thought this is just gonna be so perfect for basically now fall and winter. So yeah, I'm not waiting for Christmas to wear it. I'm just gonna enjoy it, carry it throughout the whole probably winter. This is how it came in package. So there's some tissue paper inside. There was a lot of padding, a lot of stuffing here. So let me pull out this bag. This box is ginormous, you guys. So it did come with the beautiful dust bag, as you can see, and it says Manu Atelier, and the dust bag is so nice, you guys. This is like very nice thick cotton. Love it. And let me show you. I'm gonna show you first, and then we're gonna talk about this a little bit, because this is so beautiful. And you guys, the smell of the leather the moment you open this dust bag, the smell of the leather just hit you right in there. So are you ready? This is nothing, I never had anything like this in my collection. And you guys, this is, oh my god, look at this beauty. This is a beautiful chocolate brown suede handbag, which is called a Lacambon or Lacambon 35, which is in a 35 size. The only suede handbag that I own is the YSL, the little Lou camera bag, which I love. But you guys, this is like the next level sophistication. So yes, I picked the chocolate suede. There is, obviously, I'm just trying to kind of comb it a little bit with my hands just so you can see the beautiful suede. This particular handbag, you guys, comes with, I think you can buy like a solid grain leather, which is like a black. There was also like ivory kind of white. There is a red color that you can pick from, and I think recently I also saw they were making a suede red handbags, which is beautiful, but I know red is not my favorite color when it comes to the handbag, so I know I wouldn't be wearing it a lot. But this chocolate suede is just like, it's just so rich, so beautiful. And I probably, if they had a black, maybe they do, I'll have to double check, but I'll probably buy a black too. Because there's just something about the suede bag that is just like absolutely stunning. And yeah, I mean, this bag is just like next level favorite. So let me show you guys around. So obviously the little features, yeah, this little this little buckle here, I think it can be undone. I don't know why would I want to do it. See, like there's this strap. I guess you can just make it looser. So you can just undo the whole strap and like you can tighten it up, or you can even loose it up one like level. I'm not sure if I will have to do it because I think this is just sitting at the perfect level, so I'm not gonna play around with this. But yeah, this is like completely movable, and there are those little, what is it, like a bell loops. They just go kind of around, so it's kind of like a belt that you can see like going all around, and you can just adjust your handbag and put this in here. And I thought, you know, this is just different enough because I have so many like black, solid black handbags that I just thought to myself, you know what, I don't have anything like rich brown like this. I just think this is absolutely stunning, such a perfection with this very subtle gold hardware, and the logo, it's right here. Well, the logo, the name of the bag, Manu Atelier. And this is, like I said, this is a Turkish brand. Oh my god, this suede is like to die for. It's just so beautiful. It's a Turkish brand, so this handbag came from obviously from Turkey. And like I said, I waited for this for such a long time. I cannot stop playing with this. I'm sorry if I'm annoying you guys, but it seems like now when I move this way, it seems a little bit darker. I don't know. And it does have like a 4 feet. There's a little protection on every single one, so I should probably take this off. So those little see, those little feet are all gold hardware as well. So that's nice when you you know, place the bag on the, you know, on the chair, or well, I shouldn't put it really on the floor, but there is some protection, you know, for that suede. Oh my god, that's absolutely stunning. So yeah, you have four feet, and obviously you have 2 handles. This handbag does not have any shoulder strap. I think if you buy a smaller one, which they do have, I think they have, I think size 25. I'll have to look exactly at the website. It does come with the shoulder strap, but this particular size does not. So it's more kind of like, if you think about this like a Birkin, you know, you only have an option of the 2 handles, but I am completely obsessed with this, and I think it's just so stylish. Let me show you inside. So now that I removed the padding that was inside, like I want you to see, so when I hold the bag, it's still holding its shape. It's obviously a little bit more, you know, softer right now. See, I can kind of squeeze it because, you know, it's all suede leather. It does have like a little snap closure in here, so there's just a little snap. I should remove that plastic as well in here. So that's just like a typical magnet right here in the middle, so you can just close it, there we go, and just snaps right on, and just, you know, will keep your handbag nice and secure in here. And so let me just show you inside. It's all lined in the beautiful, I guess this is like a cotton, like it feels like a suede, but I'm pretty sure this is like a cotton lining, but it's super smooth. And there is one pocket which has a zipper, and this pocket is pretty generous. If you have a smaller wallet, you can certainly put in here. So like I said, this is like a little zipper in here, there we go. So it's pretty, you know, pretty open space. There is also like a 2 little studs on the side, so if you decide that you need more room, and I guess you can undo this buckle, and then you can undo the sides, and the bag just becomes much wider, because obviously as you can tell, there's like a little pleats in here. So I don't think I will ever carry that much stuff that I'll have to undo the whole bag, but that's just an option. And there's obviously another little stud in here, so I'm gonna close these for now because I don't think I need that much room. Yeah, so the inside is pretty simple. You could probably put like an organizer if you need to, but I honestly like more slouchy bag. I like when the bag is kind of, you know, I don't like bags that are a little bit too structured and too stiff, so I personally would not use any organizer. That little pocket in there is enough for me. Anytime I need an organizer, I would rather use some kind of like a cosmetic pouch just to put it inside so I can, you know, carry smaller stuff. So anyway, this bag came with some, obviously, the information booklet, which is right here. And the website is manuatelier.com. Yeah, so it's basically, it says Lacambon 35 suede leather deep brown. So there's like a little description, and there's some information about the company in this booklet. So it says basically that our handbags are designed to last and age beautifully with time, provided they receive the necessary care and maintenance. All materials used are selected for their exceptional quality and extensively tested to ensure durability. Also, they use a vegetable tanned calf leather, suede, nabuk, you know, because it depends, I guess, which handbag you buy. And there's just like more information about it. So yeah, this is my new baby, and I'm super excited about this because this is just gonna be such a perfect handbag for now, you know, for fall and for winter. This is what I'm gonna carry probably throughout the entire season, and I'm just super excited. Obviously this is size 35, so it can fit quite a bit. The bag itself, by the way, it's not heavy. It's actually pretty light, but you know, you can probably fit like a laptop, so then I assume you would be a little bit heavier. I'm pretty sure the Birkins are much heavier than this, but yeah, I absolutely love it, you guys. So what do you think? Let me know for sure. What do you think about this? I think the craftsmanship, everything, it looks beautiful. I am super stoked about this. I would like to hear what do you think about my new baby. I will link that website below because they do carry I mean, they carry a lot of things. They have a men's line, they have a women's line, they do sell even shoes, and these handbags just comes with so many. Oh yeah, there is a black suede version as well, which is available for the pre-order. And by the way, I should have said the price of this handbag. It's $745. And like I said, like I had to wait quite a bit for this particular one. It's also, that also comes in like a little bit lighter color of the suede, which is like beautiful. I mean, anything that you pick is just stunning. But you know what? I was thinking to myself, I have so many black bags that I think like having just a little bit something different, you know, a little variety. I think like brown is the new black. What did I say? So yeah, I just wanted to try something different. I am not sponsored by this company. They know nothing about me. I bought this bag using my own money. I like I said, like they I have nothing to do with this company, and I know they are super popular right now. All of these handbags are only for pre-order, available for pre-order. There's other handbags. Now I'm just not talking, you know, strictly about this, because you can have the size 35, you can have size 25. There's also like a vertical version of this available, and there's some other ones. They have some beautiful shoes, and like, yeah, shipping was very quick. I mean, it was like 3-day shipping once the bag was available. But yeah, they are super popular right now that everything is on the pre-order, so probably will have to wait slightly, around 2 to 3 months. So yeah, but you guys, if you're patient enough and you want to treat yourself with a nice handbag, go check out this website. I will link it down below, the website, so you can just check for yourself what they have. And yeah, just give it a try, because like I said, I'm super excited, and this is just something new to me. I'm trying to check what's out there, you know what I mean? Like, I'm kind of getting a little bit tired of overpriced designer handbags, which I think many times the quality is just going down. And I think it's time, you guys, to give people like this company a chance and try their handbag, which I made from amazing leathers and amazing craftsmanship. I think it's time to give them a shout out. Hopefully many of you can treat yourself to the handbag like this, because you know it's not cheap, but also it doesn't cost $2,000-3,000. 745 to 735. It's still a lot of money, but it's not as expensive as $3,000 handbag. So highly recommend it. I'm excited to use it. I'm gonna pack it with all my stuff, whatever I need, and yeah, this is gonna be my first Christmas gift. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm so happy that I finally was able to share this handbag with you. And yeah, let me know what you think about this bag. Have you seen this online? Have you seen on other people? Because I think this bag is actually becoming super popular, so grab it if you can. Put yourself on that waiting list, and don't worry, I waited 2-3 months and the bag arrived, everything was fine. They did charge you up front though, so just keep it in mind. I did pay for the bag back in August and I received in October. So yeah, but everything was fine, and I think I sent them one email sometime in September asking, you know, when the bag will be shipped, and I got very prompt response that I will receive towards the end of the October, and that's what it was. So yeah, I'm super excited, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!